Defense budgets are rising. Demand is not the problem. The problem is manufacturing capacity, and I'm convinced that defense manufacturers, are attacking it the wrong way. When you ramp up output, three things break down fast. The first thing, new technicians come in, but the process knowledge lives in the heads of your senior operators and not within the system, so errors spike. The second thing, engineering pushes a revision, often through the PLM system, but on the shop floor, operators are still building from yesterday's documentation. Configuration drifts, you get rework and certification delays. The third thing is a public secret, and it's audit season. It hits and your team spends weeks manually reconstructing build records that should have been captured fully automatically. These are not new problems, but at a higher production volume, they become expensive problems. Let me give you an example of how it can be done. Sabca uses Azumuta for guided assembly execution on aircraft structures. Every build is documented automatically and audit ready. This is not a pilot project. All of this is running in production without ever leaving the local network. Azumuta runs in the most strict environments, completely air-gapped and fully auditable. The invisible cost in aerospace is not the defect you catch at final inspection. It is the defect you missed because the quality gate was manual, inconsistent, or bypassed. And when you scale output, more operators, more variants, more pressure, the invisible cost scales with you. And more importantly, you're not fast enough and you miss opportunity. The manufacturers winning this ramp-up race are the ones who bridge the gap between engineering intent and shop floor execution. Guided work instructions, real-time quality validation, automatic build records. If you are scaling production and you feel that gap, let's talk.